Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can expand any images in Canva. Let's get started by opening a browser and then in the search bar search for canva.com. Once you search for it, log into your account, and once logged in, you can go ahead and simply create your new design. Inside a blank canvas, go ahead and tap on uploads and then tap on upload files. Now inside here, select the image you would like to expand from your computer, then tap on open. Once you have your image, if you would like to resize the image, you can simply click on the image and then drag the corner handles to make it bigger. This expands the image while keeping the proportions correct. If you drag it from the side handle, it will stretch instead of scaling. So if you want your image to cover the entire design, right click on your image, then tap on set as a background, and Canva will automatically expand and fill the whole image with your photo. But if you're working with frames, you can simply just drag your image into the frame and double click inside it to drag the corners outward to expand or reposition the picture. You can even use the crop tool if you want to expand only the part of the image into view. And once everything looks good, tap on share, tap on download, select your file type, and then tap on download again. And that's it. Now you know how you can expand any images in Canva, whether it's a background, a photo in a frame, or just resizing in Canva. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.